I mean, what happened?
It just randomly ignited.
Oh, it stinks.
It's the interior.
Oh
It's
my gosh,
destroyed. It's all soaked and just burned.
dude. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I think it was the ECU. So.
Yeah. Well, it had to been to cause something like this. I mean, dude, it's literally gone. Good.
Yeah.
Man.
We're gonna try to siphon the rest of the gas out.
Yeah. I mean, the bed is still good.
Yeah. And we still got stuff in it and everything. So.
Yeah.
A muffler.
Don't need that anymore.
Nope.
Can't see it, but this is just so crazy.
Yeah, oh yeah, get a shot of the hood. It's just.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Speechless. Literally speechless. Luckily, your car wasn't parked right here.
Yeah.
Because that would have probably not been good.
It would have caught on fire too, or burned the paint.
Yeah, it would definitely have melted some of the paint. Ooh. Man. Do a burnout. What is that? Gosh, I just cannot believe that this happened.
Yeah, I know.
You know what this means? Gotta make a montage video.
Yeah, gotta make a memorial for.
So is it, I mean, it's actually going to like junkyard now?
Most likely, yeah.
Gosh, dude.
Yeah. There's nothing really. I was talking to Dad, and he even said like that nobody's really gonna buy any parts from it.
No.
So. And I mean, like, we can't even take the wheels off because they won't be able to tow it with no wheels on. So.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Just sucks.
Yeah. And the fire department's response time was so slow. It was.
Really? Is that because of the riots, or is that...
No, they just. I don't know. It was just way too slow.
Jeez, dude. It's like... Your parents were home, though?
Yeah, they were asleep. Yeah, there's a grill.
Man.
Annihilated.
Gosh, it's... Oh, it smells, dude.
Dude, it does smell real bad.
That's the extinguisher smell?
That and the fire.
Just... Yeah.
Burning the paint
Yeah.
and all the fluids and stuff.
My gosh.
There's a battery. It's
Jeez.
would have just taken it to the car wash just like this.
That'd have been hilarious.
I'm like, can I get my car washed?
Dude. No, it's like NLZ's GT350.
Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, that's not.
Oh gosh. So what, your dad just came out here and tried to put it out, or what?
Yeah, he had like 3 fire extinguishers in the garden hose. But...
Man. Lucky your neighbor was coming out to work.
Yeah, I know.
Saw it. Jeez.
Yeah.
She gone.
Yep. Yeah. Roll with the phone.
Oh yeah. Wow. Like that smell was so like.
It's-
Ugh.
Yeah. Something you won't forget.
Seriously. Oh my gosh, dude. Imagine driving like that. Wasn't expecting this today. Still could put gas in it. Won't do very good though.
Yeah, and literally my dad was like, we're just gonna straight pipe it.
Really?
Yeah. He's
Oh
like,
my gosh.
it's like getting the muffler fixed. We'll just cut it off and replace it with a straight pipe.
Oh my gosh, dude. Man, that would have been so cool too.
But it sounded so good too.
Yeah. I bet. They're probably staring.
Yeah.
Gosh, dude. Everybody's staring.
Yeah. Dude, it's so annoying. Everybody's stopping and taking pictures of it. It's like,
Yeah,
stop.
I bet. Dude. Well, say goodbye to the old truck.
The truth. Yeah.
Man.
We might be getting it.
True. True. New one, maybe.
Still not the same as the old.
Yeah, it won't be the old.
The barn find truth.
Seriously, this was a barn find. People didn't know. Was a barn find, and actually was rolled in a wreck before.
Twice. It
Twice.
rolled over twice.
You would have never guessed. But yeah, now she's done. Yeah, you're not gonna get like there's only liability.
Yeah.
So man, it's just crazy that when was the last time you drove this?
Last Friday. Or last Thursday.
And it was just sitting here.
For like a week. And just,
Yeah.
Like, it was done being a truck.
It quit. Man, I wonder if it was some rioters came by and lit it up. If it was, I'm gonna freaking shoot you. Look at all the wires.
Yeah.
Just all the copper.
I think it's also carbureted.
Yeah. Looks like it.
I didn't even know.
Yeah, looks like it was. What's your oil? Is it pretty good?
Oh, let's find out.
Well,
Dude, she's mint.
dude, she runs.
Oh, dude, that smells so bad.
Gosh.
Oh. That smells so bad. Make a montage.
Oh, I will be making a montage, don't worry. Wasn't this your first burnout vehicle too?
Yeah. First ever burnout.
First ever burnout. First ever being pulled over. Pulled out my truck out of the mud.
Yo. Oh, that guy's probably running
Oh,
around
yeah.
right now too.
We're pulling up to the famous Mark.
He's probably like very curious.
Here it is. Not as dark, but it's
Yo. Right
there. It is. The famous one-wheel peel. Or maybe I should put one down too. All right. There we go. Yep, we did some mudding there.
Can't really even see anything.
Nope. And down here too. We did lots of mudding down here. It's not low car friendly at all. Looks like the mud dried up a little bit. They used to like literally be a mud pit right there.
Yeah, you can still see the mud.
Yeah.
Tracks.
This puddle here, pretty good.
Stuck in here.
Yep, we got almost stuck back there. Boat ramp.
No.
Nice truck. I doubt we can even go back there,
Yeah.
but... Oh yeah, no. Well, if we had the truck, we would try.
Yeah.
But good mudding back there. Not anymore.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, see you later.
I'll send you some pictures
Yeah.
of it and videos of it getting towed.
Alright, good. I'll put it in the montage.
Alright.
See ya. It's been real, truck. Bro, that was so close.
Oh, wait, 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 wait.